Good morning, students. As we have started our chapter working with Windows, in this we have studied earlier what is Windows, what is operating system. We know this that Windows is an operating system which help us to operate our computer. In the previous video, we have discussed also files and folder. What is file? File is a collection of related information and folder is a collection of related files and subfolders. So now in this video we'll continue with how to create a file and a folder, how to rename it and some other properties of files and folders. So there are two methods for creating a file or a folder. First is wherever you want to create a file, you have to open that application. If I want to create a file in Microsoft Word, so I have to open Microsoft Word first, click on Start, then open Microsoft Word as this is available here. So I can open it from here also, or you can open it from all programs and then Microsoft Office. So I am opening it from here. Now you can see here there is a blank document with the name document 1. This is by default name. So when we'll save this file, this name will change according to our name. So by this we can create our file, and in this file we can save our text. We can write our text, write our information. See, if I am writing this is computer class. So whatever text I want to write, I have written. Similarly for this, now you can do the formatting which we have done in previous chapters. You can make it bold, italic, underline. You can change the size of it. So with this, now we want to save our file. For saving our file, there are multiple options. First is this office button. Under this office button there is save or save as button for saving our file, or on the quick access toolbar you can see here. On the quick access toolbar there is a save button, and the shortcut key for save button is Ctrl+S. So you can save your file by clicking on any of these options. I am going to click on this save button. Click on this save button. This kind of dialog box will appear which shows the Windows Explorer part. This is libraries under document. So wherever you want to place your file or folder, you just have to choose the place. If I am going to place my file on desktop, and you have to give the name to your file name which you want to give. See, if I am giving, the name is class, right? So this is my file name, class, and you just have to click on save button. You can see from here that our file is going to save on which place. I have selected desktop, so my file will be placed on desktop now. Click on save button. Now you can see on desktop your class file will be there, and this file contains the icon W because we have created this file in Microsoft Word only. This is the first method for creating a file, and second method is for this is right click on the blank area wherever you want to create a file. Select new. Under new there are multiple applications like in Microsoft Office Word document or Microsoft Office PowerPoint, Microsoft Office Excel. Wherever you want to create a file, you just have to click on that application. You can see a new document will be appear with the name new document Office Word with the document name document. Earlier our document name was document 1, now it is document 2. So where you want to make a document or a file, on that place you can right click on that. As you can see, the name is selected, so you can rename it by typing the name as your name is selected. So you can write here, I am writing here CO Como, right? So this is our file name. You just click on any place. Now your file name comes like Como. You can see here this is also showing W icon because we have created this again Word document. So wherever you want to make a document, make a file, so on that place you have to right click. See, if I want to make a file in documents part, just right click on the blank area, click on new, Under new the same options will appear and you can make your document, right? The same way you can create a new folder also. Right click on the blank area. There is a new, under new there is a folder option also. You just have to click on this. New folder will be appear with the name new folder 2, right? So because we have earlier created a folder also, I have created this. So you can change the name of this folder. As this name is selected, so you can type the name. I have written computer. So this is my folder name now. I can create a folder from this place also, as there is an option new folder. You just have to click on this. Now you can see your new folder with the name new folder 2 will be created, right? So you can rename this also, as this is CSC, that is computer science. Press enter key. Now you can see here CSC folder, your computer folder. You just have to, whenever you want to open your file or folder, you just have to double click on this. Your file or folder will be open. This folder is empty because there is no file. Similarly, go back, click on this back button. You can click on this computer folder also. Double click on it. You can see this folder is also empty. I can move this folder from this place to this place. Just drag it from here and place this like this. You can see here. Move to computer means that CSC folder will be moving through computer folder. Just drag it and stop it. Now you just double click on that folder. You can see your CSC folder will comes in this. This is now called subfolder. A folder in a folder is called subfolder. We can place multiple files also here, like dragging it from any place. See, I minimize it. I can drag this Como file from desktop and places in this folder. So this is called moving a file or a folder from one place to another place, right? Or you can cut, copy, paste also. See, you can do like this also. I am placing it back. Right click on this file, click on cut and go where you want to place it. Right click on that area and click on paste. The same file will be cutting from there and it will be pasted here, because this is called moving a file, right? So next is deleting a file or a folder. Deleting means if you want to remove a file or a folder from your computer, there are two choices. If you want to remove your file or a folder from your computer permanently, or you want to remove a file or a folder from your computer and it will go in recycle bin. As recycle bin is the dustbin in the computer which helps to store the deleted files. If we will send a file in recycle bin, then we can restore those files anytime. But if we have deleted our file permanently, we cannot restore it. So see, I'm going to delete it. Just select this, right click on it. There is an option delete. If I'm going to delete like this, it will show the message, are you sure you want to move this file or folder in the recycle bin? Yes. So now this Como file goes to the recycle bin. I'm going to delete this folder also. If I want to delete this folder permanently, means I don't want that folder will go in recycle bin. So for this you have to press Shift plus Delete key from the keyboard. Now this will show the message, are you sure you want to permanently delete this folder? Then you have to click on Yes button. Now you can see in recycle bin. Now I'll open recycle bin from the desktop. Click on recycle bin. You can see here your Como file is here, but your CS folder is not here, because CS folder we have deleted by using Shift plus Delete key. and Como folder I have deleted from the delete button only. So which file will delete from the by the delete button? That will comes in recycle bin. And which file will delete by using shift plus delete button? Then it will be deleted permanently from the computer. These files can be restored back. Right click on this. There is a restore option, or you can click on or select your folder or file and click on this restore this item. This item will go back on the same place from where we have deleted. The file that we have deleted from the my document part, I'll go in my documents, and there was my folder computer, and I have deleted my file from here only, so it will come back. But CS folder will not come back because that I have deleted permanently. Okay, so next is how to search a file or a folder from the computer. If I don't know the name of my file, I forgot it, then I can search my file or folder by click on search button, start button, and write the text here related to your file. If you don't know the name of your file, you should write the contents a little bit words for searching the file. See, if I want to search my Como file, you can see here I have written my file name, and it will show the name of our file. So I can click on it, or I can search other file also. It will show my class file which I have created. Class file. It is showing this class file. You can open it and you can see this is the same file which we have created. So with this, thank you. Stay home, stay safe, revise your work.